Okay. Hello? Yeah, hello. Things in here you see scratch 3. But this is offline one, not online one, okay? What I doing in Scratch was I'm not telling about I'm creating a game, but I teach you how to do it. So first of all, you see in here my mouse sprite, okay, sprite, costume, sounds, file, edit, tutorials, scratch free. Plus you can use tutorials right here, but this is you using sprite as a characters that you want. And this is a backdrop that it was the background on in it. You'll see show and it's not shown. I'll teach you later. X, Y, also I teach you later. Size also, direction also. This is your name, which gonna name it. I'm gonna call this sprite 1. But if you add it sprite again, this is called Amon. Yeah. So you can move like that. And this is a green where you must go run your project. And this is stop your project. And this is your view. Yeah, yes, your view. And this is maximum, like that. Okay, so things that I wanted to teach you, it was this: motion, look, sound, event control, sensing, operators, variables, and my block. But I will not teach you this. This is choose an extension. It was your new block that you've needed. Sometimes there's needed. The more that you use, it was pen. Pen is very usable, but I will not teach it. And this is a costume where you can edit something. And so this is head, legs, tail, like that. And sometimes you can animate this like this. So you can animate it. Okay, so you can create. See, you choose a costume. This is by per every single animation that's Scratch create. And this is a sound where sound. Yeah, it sounded was a sound. Yeah, exactly a sound. You can go faster or slower, louder, softer, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse robot. But robot is interesting. Weird. Okay, let's do that. Nice. Okay. Okay, so I will tell you motion first. Looks later, not the episode. But I will tell you something. Backdrop. Backdrop also you can code it, but there's no motion. Why? Because motion is just like you move something. It was movable. So background was not movable, so there's no motion. But characters, it's movable. So yeah, there's a lot, but there's no background doesn't move. Okay, because background also can be created coding, but I think it's only in Scratch. I forgot the other else. I think the other else, no. Oh yes, forgot. Okay, let's move on. So move 10 step. So where you can move 10 step. It moved, right? But a little bit. Because why? Because it's 10 step. And as 10 step, it's not very far, but it's very close. So every single digit. Hold on. See? You see the X? This is negative 61. Now it was negative 51. Look at that. So it really moved. How about we're gonna say 90? 90 is very far. 49. 139. 229. Nice. Okay. So how about we're gonna move backwards? That's easy. You're just negative. So forward it was positive, and back was a negative. So you see here, this is positive and this is negative. So all you're gonna do, just move this like that. See, backward. Hold on, you cannot move on. Okay, like that. Now, since we moved already done this, now we're gonna do turn. Well, you can see the arrow points. This is right, this is left. So you can see it was degrees. So turn right 15 degrees. So I flip. Where you can see it, it was actually from here. Direction. There you go. From direction, you can see it. It moved. How about we're gonna say we're gonna do turn left. It's left. Well, actually, you can. I never know this, but I sometimes forgot that if you write this is positive, how about we're gonna say negative? Is it gonna be left? Yes, it is left. See? It is left. Going to the same way. Is this also going to be it if it is negative? Yes. Exactly. How suppose it would. So after we learned move 10 steps and turn right and turn left, now we're going to do the X and Y. This is the interesting part right here. As you can see the mouse, go to random position. Yeah, it's just random, so it's not very going somewhere, but it's random. See, random. Random. There's no way it will. So because it was random and it was position, so go random position. Let me tell you something. Mouse pointer. So it moves where the mouse is. See? How about I'm going to put my mouse right here? If I click it, boom. If I write down here, if it is the characters go down here, yes, exactly. I must click this. Okay, so go to. This is where I'm going to teach you. X, it was just like right and left, but Y, it was up and down. See, X, it was 24. If I go into up here, the difference it was Y. It's still 24. Or you can see in here, X, right, left. Y, up, down. But you can do also the same thing. So there's the maximum of the where right is. So I think the maximum it was almost 280 if I no mistaken. Hold on, let me change that. About like that. Oh, the maximum is negative 272. So it does mean in here the positive 272 also. But positive it was, don't forget, positive it was right and negative is left. Same thing as y. Positive is up, negative is down. The maximum also same, 272. Oh, 215. So the negative also same. Wait, what? Oh, it was not same. It was 214. Oh, that was different than what I never thought that. If you want to go to the middle, you must be careful. This is must 0. This is must also 0. But sometimes they are middle, but it will be in here. You can see the costume right here. See? If you put like this, you can see the arrow here. If you put like this, the middle will be going somewhere else. But if we put right here, see? The middle it was right else, but the X and Y is the same. But you put the middle in here, what it will become? Still in the middle. This is middle. So do not get mistaken if you're going somewhere else. Okay, so this is where you set your position. So if you go to X negative 240 and Y negative 31, it's same. How about we're gonna do 50, and that is still negative 31. Same. Okay, now like seconds 6 to random position or mouse pointer. Interesting. So glide, it was where like animation movable where you set the position like this. Stop. See? So glide, this one, it was actually your second. How long? If 2 is very slow. 5 is more slow. But 0.2 is false. But then I think there's no 0. Is it have 0? Yes. But you just going like go to 50 or go to random position because it was same. See? So just 0.1 is already false. But the normal is 1. Okay, now we're gonna put the characters in here and what mouse pointer, what it will become. Yeah, follow the mouse. Why always say mouse? Is this because it was animal? Haha. Okay, now this it is actually same for like here, but this is where you can set your location. For example, so glide 6 to negative 240 and Y negative 70. The change it was Y because the X is already the same. This is where you can set your position. Yes. Now, point direction. Yeah, now we're going to do in direction. First off, direction. Yeah, you must know. You actually must know 0 direction. So this is 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, it was right. And actually, if it is 180, when you move right here, it's already negative because it was same. Actually, the thing is, there's no negative. It was actually positive, and all here it was 360 degrees, but they didn't want it. They want it in half. Scratch want it half, so 180 negative. Okay, so 0, it will be like that. If it is 90, it will be like that, 91. Okay, and these 3 buttons, it was actually, you can see it all around. So all around 360 degrees. This is only left, right. So you cannot like this. There's not like the mouse, the characters, the cat up or down. It's just left and right. Same. This is don't rotate. You can't. The cat didn't rotate because you said it was not. Don't rotate. Point towards mouse pointer. Only mouse pointer. Great. Let's try it. So the cat just move around where the mouse pointer is. Yeah, this was weird. Great. Now we are going to do, it was 10. Oh, haha. It was actually same where you move 10 steps. But this is X. This is more used than move 10 steps. I don't know why. Don't ask me. But it was same. See? Look, it's the same. It's only changed. It was moved and stuff. But set X. So 1, 2, 3. It was where you set it. 23 will be set like that. Change Y. Also same as change X. Like that. Set Y, also same. You just set where your Y is. Where you want to have it. See? Same thing. There's no difference. Set X and set Y is almost same as like this, but I don't know why they made it different. Don't ask me. If H on H, bounce. You know, H. This is where H is. Like in here. The border. You see black lines? Yeah, you see the black lines? And that was the border. So if it is on H, it'll bounce. See? Bounce. But if it is not in H, it was not bounce. Yeah, a little bit of bounce. Set rotation. This is what I say. Left, right, don't rotate. All around. Alright, let's set this left and right. If it is going on left and right, exactly. Let's try this done around. If it's gonna done around, exactly. All around, all around. Is it difference? No, it was not difference. It was same. There's not different. This X position. Well, actually, this is a circle. You can see it right here, negative 209. Exactly, it's same. Or you can check this. So sprite 1 equals X position negative 209. Where you can put it right here. So change X into X position. Exactly. This all are the same. This is the same thing. See? Same thing. Direction 90. Perfect. Y position negative 76. Perfect. X position negative 272. Perfecto. Same thing. Okay, that's all for the motion. And we'll see on the other looks. And Stitch also. There's looks also. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Oh my god, I forgot. Backdrops. Sounds. Actually, that's not different. It was same as sprite. Backdrop, just I have a tons of backdrops. There's no animation about it. The sounds, yeah, like that. So that's all. Okay, bye bye. How to stop recording? Yeah.